हेलो सलाम नमस्कार एंड सभी को ईद बहुत बहुत मुबारक. वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल Mark full of life, and this is another video. This is actually another video from the Eid series itself. Like, this is another Eid look, and this is more on the western side. So yeah, I have started the video and I am first applying a moisturizer, and I'm using the Pond Super Light Gel Moisturizer today. Okay, now I'm using a facial oil today, not a serum but a facial oil. This is also from Good Vibes, and this is the argan oil with gold leaf variant. So yeah. Okay, now I'm applying the foundation, the same Lakme Invisible Finish foundation, and today I'll be actually using another brush. This is from Pack Cosmetics, and the number I displayed U206, and I'll be using this brush today to blend my foundation. Now I'll be setting my face with the Maybelline White Super Fresh Compact Powder. Done. Now I am applying a lip balm. This is the Lakme Lip Love Lip Balm. This was actually meant to be applied before foundation, but I remembered it now, so yeah. And now moving on to eye, I am using again the Savannah Colors palette, and I am using a flat brush actually today, a more precise flat brush, taking the darkest, the black shade first, because today I'm doing a smoky eye look. So yeah, first of all we'll start with the base of the eyelid. We'll apply the darkest color there, and then we'll keep moving on to lighter shades as we move up and keep blending it. Then I'm using this little lighter brownish blackish shade, and with the help of a blooming brush I'm applying it just over that brown layer and blending it well. Now taking a more brown shade and a fluffy brush, this one, I am blending it all well together, because previously I just blended the black with the brown, but this time we are blending also the brown upwards, and taking an even lighter shade I'll be blending it all completely. Okay, now just to get that darker shade of black, once again I'm applying the black eyeshadow. Yeah, and don't worry about fallouts. You can actually correct it with foundation or concealer or whatever. Done. Now I'll be doing the same on the other eye. Okay, now kajal. I'm not using a kajal today. I am going with the same black eyeshadow in my lower lash line also, and with the fluffy brush, same fluffy brush I'll be using to blend that black with brown in the lower lashes also. Now with the pinkish shimmery shade, this whitish to pinkish shimmer shade I'll be using in the inner corner of my eyes. Now for the blush I'm using the Savannah Colors blush palette. I'll mention their name and link in the description. So yeah, with the help of the another fluffy brush I'll be putting the blush on my cheeks and nose. Now coming on to eyebrows, I'm using the same brow product, the Wet n Wild Brow Kit in the shade Ash Brown, and filling and shaping my eyebrows. Okay, now coming on to mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. Okay, now I'm using the same palette, the shimmer highlighter kind of shade from the same blush palette of Savannah, and using that as highlighter today. So yeah. Now for the lips, today I'll be first lining my lips with the NYBA Matte Smelt Crayon, the shade I'll mention and in the description, and then using another NYBA lipstick I will fill the rest of my lips. And now some posing time. Thank you so much for watching my video, and take care, and do subscribe to my channel and also like the video. And until the next time, goodbye and take care, and Eid Mubarak once again.